Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you'll listen to an English story about Tom and Emma visiting a dog adoption event. Have you ever visited a dog adoption event before? Let's get started.
There are a lot more dogs here than I expected.
I thought this event would be much smaller.
I think adoption events are pretty common here.
I've never been to one before.
Look at that golden retriever.
The bandana says, "Adopt me."
That's kind of adorable.
I'm trying not to get emotionally attached already.
These dogs are all from rescue organizations.
So they don't come from pet stores?
No. A lot of them stayed in shelters or foster homes first.
I didn't realize foster homes were common for dogs too.
Yeah. Some people take care of the dogs until they get adopted.
That sounds like a huge responsibility.
It probably is, but it also seems rewarding.
Yeah. I can understand that.
That woman over there is wearing a volunteer badge.
Maybe we should ask her about the event.
Good idea.
I'm curious how everything works here.
Hi there. Is this your first adoption event?
Yeah, it is.
Welcome.
Thanks.
Feel free to spend time with any of the dogs.
They all seem really friendly.
Some are very playful. Others are still nervous around new people.
That makes sense.
A few of them are staying with foster families right now.
So they're already getting used to living with people?
Exactly. It helps many dogs feel more comfortable before adoption.
That actually sounds really helpful.
This already feels really different from a pet store.
Yeah. It feels much more personal.
That brown dog has been watching us the whole time.
Yeah. He looks curious, but also a little nervous.
He hasn't walked up to anyone yet.
Maybe he's shy around strangers. I'm going to ask the volunteer. Excuse me. Can we say hello to him?
Of course. Just move slowly at first.
Okay.
He usually takes a little time to warm up to people.
What's his name?
His name is Benny.
How old is he?
He's about 3 years old.
He's really calm.
Yeah. He's gentle once he feels comfortable.
He keeps looking at your hand.
Maybe he wants me to pet him.
He moved closer that time.
Yeah. I think he's getting more relaxed.
I thought rescue dogs would all be super energetic.
Benny feels pretty quiet.
I'm going to ask about his foster family. Has he been with a foster family long?
About 4 months.
So he's been living in a house this whole time?
Yeah. His foster family has been helping him build confidence.
That actually explains a lot.
Benny was nervous around people at first.
He seems much calmer now.
His foster family spent a lot of time working with him.
I didn't realize foster families did so much.
Me neither.
Benny just sat next to you.
Wait. He actually did.
I think he likes you.
That suddenly feels like a lot of pressure.
You already look attached.
I'm trying very hard not to think about that.
Too late. He picked you.
That's exactly what I was afraid of.
Benny has been following you for the last 5 minutes.
I know. Every time I move, he stands up too.
He seems really comfortable around you now.
That's what makes this dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yeah. I came here just to look around.
That was your first mistake.
Apparently. I didn't realize adoption events felt this personal.
Same. I thought we would just look at a few dogs and leave.
But now every dog has a story behind it.
Yeah. That changes things.
Benny changed the way I see rescue dogs.
In what way?
I used to imagine rescue dogs as difficult or unpredictable.
A lot of people probably think that too.
But Benny seems patient.
And a little careful around strangers.
Yeah. It feels like he's slowly learning to trust people again.
That's probably why foster families matter so much.
They help the dogs feel safe before adoption.
Exactly.
I respect that a lot more now.
Me too. Are you thinking about adopting him?
I don't think I'm ready for that.
Probably a smart decision.
A dog is a huge responsibility.
Especially if you work long hours.
Yeah. I wouldn't want a dog staying home alone all day.
Still, you seem attached already.
I mean, look at him.
He's sitting on your shoe now.
That definitely feels intentional.
Benny clearly made his decision.
Good thing he doesn't get the final vote.
So what happens now?
I think I want to learn more about adoption first.
Like the application process?
Yeah. I didn't realize there were interviews and home checks.
That actually makes sense.
Yeah. They want to make sure the dogs go to the right homes.
I also heard some people visit the same dog multiple times first.
That sounds smarter than making a quick decision.
Definitely.
Getting a dog feels more serious now.
In a good way?
Yeah. Before today, I only thought about the fun parts.
And now?
Now I understand how much care goes into adoption.
That's a pretty big change for one afternoon.
Blame Benny for that.
Fair enough.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, here is today's question. Why didn't Tom decide to adopt Benny right away? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.